Hey, listen. Remember, you remember Ogbono, right? And Egusi? Sure you do. You all know about this soup. Okay, what about bringing these two together and make it as one? You know how to prepare that? Come on, let me show you. It's very easy. You're gonna like how you can never go wrong with this Egusi and Ogbono soup. This mixture, this combination is the bomb. You will enjoy it. Friends, family, everyone will enjoy it. Stick back and enjoy this one. And these are my ingredients for the ogbono and egusi soup. Here I'll be using goat meat, and here we have smoked fish and dried fish. Here we have pomo, cow skin, and here we have egusi. We have ogbono. We'll be using chili and onion. We have our salt here. We have palm oil. We have Maggie Cubes. We have crayfish, and here we have our chicken flavor stock. Okay, and here we'll be using this vegetable. You can feel free to use whatever vegetable of your choice. So let's get this cooking going. Let's add our washed meat, goat's meat. Here goes in, add up my onion, chili, add water, 1, 2, 3. I'll be adding salt. I will add up my chicken stock. And now I'll add more water to cook. We'll be making kind of 2 pots of soup, so we need enough of the stock. On my heat, make sure the ingredient goes round. So now let's cover and cook. So now I'll be blending my egusi, ogbono, and crayfish and set aside while we wait for the meat. Egusi here. I'll blend ogbono. Make sure this is properly blended. You can see the crayfish. And this is my crayfish. So now let's check our meat. Oh, our meat is already done. I like to add up my pomo at this stage. My dry fish. This will enhance the taste. Be careful about the bone. This is catfish. I grilled it. If you have use any dry fish of your choice, you can check my other video to see how I grilled it. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Okay, what I will do now is to take out my meat. I will take out my meat now, and I will add more water to the stock to cook the fish and the cow skin, to infuse taste into them, to make it more tasty. This is how you achieve a tasty soup. This way you will never go wrong. I'm adding water and a little bit of the crayfish. And cook. And cook. What I will do now is to take out this. All I'm doing here is trying to build flavors, okay? Where if you eat any part, it's very tasty. So I'll just share this stock with this into the other pot, okay? I'll use this one to make egusi, and I'll use the other one to make ogbono soup. So, and what I'm gonna do is add this up. After sharing, I'll then put on my heat on both burners, pour in my palm oil, not too much, enough to make it yellow. And I'll do the same thing to the ogbono soup. I'll also add up my palm oil here, crayfish. Immediately add my egusi and stir it, okay? On a low heat. And please keep an eye on your pot not to get burnt, okay? And back to my... I'll do the same thing to our ogbono. Lower the heat up and do the same thing. Add up our ogbono and stir. until there will be no lumps. Cover and cook. Here's our egusi, and this is our ogbono. So what we just have to do is to mix this into this and continue cooking. We're almost there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button at this moment if you're still watching. Thank you, and God bless you. I'll mix up my ogbono together. Mix up my meats and everything together now. Crayfish. Add up water. Make sure you mix the egusi thoroughly to be even. Increase my heat. Cover and cook. You see, our soup now it's okay. You can see reintroduce the meat. I brought meat back. Our vegetables. Feel free to use bitter leaf. Our egusi and ogbono soup is ready to serve. Serve with your any swallow of your choice, and please leave a comment. Tell me where you're watching from so I can send you a virtual hug. Turn off the heat and enjoy.